Второй класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Страница 78-79. English. Spotlight 2. Now I know. Homework page 78-79. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 78, 78. Now I know. А теперь я знаю. Exercise number 1. Поговори со своим одноклассником, используя образец. Can a horse run? Yes, it can. Can a frog fly? No, it can't. Look at the page. Repeat once more. Can a horse run? Yes, it can. Can a frog fly? No, it can't. Can a chimp climb? Yes, it can. Can a bird swim? No, it can't. Exercise number 2. Перепиши слова в тетрадь, вставляя пропущенные буквы. Exercise number 2. The answer. Circus. Magician. Clown. Chimp. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 79. 79. Exercise number 3. Прочитай предложение, вставляя пропущенные слова. Bob Chuckles, Ellen, Sam. Can dance, can sing, can swing, can run. The answer: Chuckles can dance. Ellen can sing. Sam can swing. Bob can run. Exercise number 4. Прочитай вопросы, посмотри на картинки и скажи, что ответят дети. Can you swim? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you climb? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you run? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you jump? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you sing? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Exercise number 4. The answer. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Can you climb? No, I can't. Can you run? No, I can't. Can you jump? Yes, I can. Can you sing? Yes, I can. My dear friends, boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Good morning, the best to you this morning. How are you? How are you? I hope you're feeling fine and happy all the time. Good morning, the best to you this morning. How are you? How are you? I hope you're feeling fine and happy all the time.
I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once.